In this video, we are going to see how we can resolve and fix this error of GLFW error 65542 WGL. The driver does not appear to support OpenGL. Please make sure you have up-to-date drivers. And this happens whenever you're, let's say, trying to run or access Minecraft. So here is a quick solution for you. First of all, just click OK or close out of here to exit from this error. And then you go to Google right here, MESA 3D Windows GitHub. So here's the automatic suggestion for you. Just click on that and click on the Lightning T error MESA 3D Windows, whatever is github.com. You will find it in the first link. Click on that. And then the latest release can be found on your right. Click on that. It will take you inside the setup. Here you have all the assets. Click on the relevant Windows version. So let's say if you have Windows 64-bit operating system, you just click on the 64-bit one. You can easily check your current Windows version just by clicking on File Explorer, right click on this PC and click on the properties. So here you can see the operating system version. Let me just show you. So we are using currently a 64-bit operating system, as you can see right here. So we download the 64-bit operating system. So once this is successfully downloaded, you just right click on this and basically it is a zip folder. So make sure that you have a WinRAR software installed so that you should be able to see and extract to all option. Otherwise you just double click on it and it will ask you how do you want to extract it. You just select a file explorer here if possible. But here as we can see the file explorer is not here. So we download a WinRAR quickly. We just click on download WinRAR and it will only take a few seconds to download this. It's only of 3.6 MB. Let's just quickly install that. Click yes. And basically it's a very simple installation. Click yes. Click install and it's done. Click OK. And then if we go to the same location, it will show you the extractable software. You will see this book sign. Let me just make it large icons and also let's delete the extra one. Okay, so this is the one. Right click and click on extract to 64-bit. So once we have this folder, just click on that and we will find OpenGL32.dll. Just copy this, Control C, go to this PC, click on the C drive, go to program files, go to Java folder if you have that. So here's Java folder. Go to GRE 1.8, click on bin and just paste that. It will ask you, do you want to provide administrator access to copy this folder? Click yes, continue. And make sure that this file that you have just copied, it's shown properly. So here it is. So once we are sure about this, just close everything, try to run Minecraft and that should work for you without any problem and without that error. So that's how you do it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.